All right, so I've heard of these videos called haulin', and I am a craft nut for those of you that follow me. So I just picked up the Big Bite. I'm super excited to try this one out. It's for brads and grommets and all that kind of good stuff. And then, of course, I found some really, really cute pastel eyelets, and then some that are a little bit sharper in color, and then some little teeny weeny brads. But the piece de resistance is, oh wait, one more thing. Of course, new blades for my Cricut. And then, yes, an $89 cartridge for $49, and I bought Paisley. How cute is that? Look at all the stuff that you can get. That right there, that bumblebee, I don't know if you can see that. That is the whole reason why I bought it. So really super cute little images. Look at that kitty cat right there. I know that at Deshat will love that, but that is the reason why I got it, because I'm really excited to be able to make that. So guys, if you do your 50% off coupon, the Big Bite's normally $39 here in Hampton Roads, and I got it for $20. And the little brads, they were all on clearance for like $1.79, and my Cricut blade was $10. So I basically got all of this for less than the price of this on full price. And then, not to mention, super cool, well, I spilled coffee on it, so another 50% off regular items. So anyway, guys, have a great Memorial Day weekend. That is my haul for Memorial Day shopping, and we'll start putting these things to use and showing you what I come up with. Have a great weekend.